May memo raw si FBR kay Pinoy tungkol sa Saba issue. Kaya pagdating niya galing Taiwan, nagpa-press con siya. Teka, mukhang na-late ang assistant niya. Bilis, kuya! Okay, game na. First question, anong masasabi ninyo sa naging comment ni Pinoy tungkol sa memo ninyo?
Any further communication from me, like a memo, may not really be so important. After all, I'm a private citizen.
Si ate may question ata.
Mr. President, how would you assess the Aquino administration's performance in dealing with the Saba issue?
Will you kindly repeat your question? I cannot tell you. Tanda na tayo.
Ate, ulit daw.
Mr. President, how would you assess the Aquino administration's performance in dealing with the Saba issue?
When you come here, so why don't you whisper to me? Because my left ear is very functional.
Yun no, tindi nyo, sir.
How would you assess
Hawakan ba ko? Baka matumba ako eh. Oo, photo out.
Kita po tayo sa social.
Malapit ko no, Facebook.
Nice one, sir. Oh, sino pang magtatanong?
Regarding dun sa memo. Sir, you're not open.
I cannot read your body language.
Yari ka, boy.
Mahulog na ako. Pati yung cellphone mo, mahulog mo. Yan.